So if you don't know already, my name's Jasmine and this is my husband Steven. We're from Texas and it's our dream to travel the world. In this series, we're going from Texas all the way to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So just sit back and enjoy the journey with us.
Viva Las Vegas.
Viva! Viva! We got 15 hours to go. 15 hours and 37 minutes. It's gonna be a long drive, but I think we're gonna get there about 6, 7. It's gonna be earlier than I thought.
One eternity later.
We finally made it to the Hoover Dam.
To the Hoover Dam.
What do you think?
It's beautiful.
How do you feel?
Hungry, tired.
Hungry, tired, dehydrated. I feel great.
I think I could be like a good ASMR.
Anyways, we're gonna head on to Vegas so we can get some sleep.
What are those?
Actually, we already came in, but we had to do the little effect.
For our first night in Vegas, we stayed in the Bellagio right off the strip. Our room was amazing and had a pretty cool view overlooking at the mountains. Hey guys, we're on our way to get some food after we establish ourselves in our hotel.
And I'm hungry.
Steven wanted pizza, so we figured there had to be a little Caesars in the Caesar's Palace, right? But there wasn't. Just tons of beautiful architecture resembling the River Rhone. And look at the ceiling in here. I've never seen anything like this. We made our way down the strip searching for food, but instead we just got honked at by all these taxis.
Ciudad Angeles.
Huh?
I don't know.
Hey guys, so we've established into our hotel already and we've been walking around every hotel, jumping from hotel to hotel. And honestly, this is my first time in Vegas and I think it's amazing. The scenery is beautiful, the people are amazing and super friendly.
No.
And it's clean.
No.
Super clean.
No.
I wasn't expecting that, honestly. And just better than I thought, better than the movies, for sure. We got to check out the pink flamingo, see the famous high roller Ferris wheel, and these cute little soaps. They even had puppy soaps. We made it back to our hotel and spent some time exploring what makes this one of the nicest hotels on the strip. I love the colorful flower decor and all-around aesthetic of the Bellagio. Going to the botanical gardens right by our room was an amazing experience, but even better late at night when no one's there. Because when everybody's there, it's a little crowded. From Louis Vuitton to Hermes, the Bellagio really has it all. And they decided to name this Cantonese cuisine restaurant after me. Even though the night was coming to an end, we still got to see the Eiffel Tower and stop by the Venetian, where we saw an inside version of Venice that even had the famous canals. At this point, we really didn't have much energy left. After being awake for 2 days, it was time to go to bed. But tomorrow, we'll be heading to Los Angeles. See you there.